How to animate your logo in just 1 minute. Yes, you can. If you are beginner, after watching this video you will learn how to create a simple logo animation. So like this video in 3, 2, and 1. Let's get started. In After Effects, create new composition. I am naming it Logo Animation. And 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution. Also 30 fps and 10 seconds duration. First let's create a background layer. Use shortcut Ctrl+Y. Let's select white color for now. Press OK. Double click here on the project panel. Let's select our logo. You can also download the same logo. Now click Import. Select and drag the logo to timeline. Cool. Now we have the logo here on the timeline as single layer. But we want the logo's icon and text separated. For that, select and press Ctrl+D to duplicate the layer. Press Enter and rename the layer to icon and other one as text. Now select the text layer. Select the rectangle tool and draw a mask around the text. Select icon layer and draw a perfect mask around it too. Now we have logo's icon and text is separated. The next step is animating icon. Grab the pan behind tool. Move this anchor point to center of the logo. You can snap this on the center by holding Ctrl. For animating easily, add markers like this at 0 seconds, 1 second and 2 seconds. Cool. Move playhead to 1 second and move the text layer like this. Hold Shift for snapping easily. Select and press P on the icon layer. We can animate its position now. Go to 2 second and press this stopwatch icon to add keyframe. Go to 1 second and align the logo to center like this. If can't see Align menu, go to Window and make sure Align option is enabled. Now hold Shift and press S to show scale property. Add keyframe here. Move playhead to start and set value to 30. Animation of the icon is up. For the animation of text, press P to bring position property. Add keyframe on 1 and 2 seconds. Got to 1 second and move the text layer until it covers the logo like this. Let's move the text layer behind the icon layer. Perfect. Now actually the animation is not really smooth. To make it smooth, we want to convert the keyframes into easy ease keyframes. Select all keyframes and press F9 to easy ease the keyframes. To make it more energetic, select keyframe of scale. Got to graph editor. And make the graph something like this. Make sure you're using speed graph. Looks good. Do this same steps for other 2 keyframes too. Let's fix this part of text that sticks out. Move playhead to 1 second. And press M to bring mask properties. Add keyframe on mask path. Press U on same layer to show all keyframes, and move this keyframe to 2 second. And select the path of this mask and move to behind the logo just like this. Do this same step whenever the text shows on the right side or logo hides on the left side of icon. Nice. Finally, you created your logo animation successfully. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button for more amazing advanced logo animation tutorials.